both a Bluetooth headset and a translator. Connection method. First, take out the headset and pair it. Open Mobile App Store and search for AI Cool. Click to download and install. Open the software and click Add Device. Exit the interface and click on Settings. Turn on Bluetooth to search for devices. Click on Connect to pair successfully. Return to AI Cool to enter the device code. Click to connect and get started. Put on the headset and start using it. Open Simultaneous Interpretation. Built-in interpreter for more than 100 languages. Just select the language you need to translate into. Tap the record button to speak into your cell phone for simultaneous interpretation.
早上好
Point 4 built-in translation modes. Just choose the mode that suits you. Outgoing mode.
Hello
你好
2 earphone mode. One person, one ear for unimpeded communication.
Yes, please. How much are they?
3 display modes to choose from for easier viewing. There are also AI Assistant and Meeting Assistant functions within the app. Open Meeting Assistants. Use audio to text to really free your hands. Headset usage. Click the left and right ear touch points to play or pause music. Double tap the left and right ear touch points to increase, decrease volume. Triple tap left and right ear touch points up, down curve. Answer hang-up calls with a single click on the left and right ear touch points. Type-C charging port is more convenient.